On one ordinary spring day, a Harbor Light teacher stepped outside to go grocery shopping.
Well, I'm off to the grocery store to buy lots and lots of groceries. I guess I'll be coming out with the usual lot of plastic grocery bags. Stop! Are you planning to go into that grocery store and come out bearing all of your groceries in plastic bags? Actually, I am. Why? Don't you know that over 500 million bags are used every year? Why, that's almost 1 million bags every minute. Really? Yes. And 95% of those wind up in garbage, landfills, even the ocean. It takes 1,000 years for these bags to break down in the environment. 1,000 years. Do you want to contribute to that kind of a mess here on planet Earth? No. But what else can I do? Well, for starters, take cloth bags to the store when you go grocery shopping. Then you can reuse them. But I don't have any cloth bags. That's why I'm here. You see this old worn out shirt? That's my old shirt. Yes, and you don't even wear it anymore. What if I could make it into a tote bag for you? Okay. Voila! And look at all the groceries you can fit inside. You'll never have to use another plastic bag again. Who are you anyway? Just call me Admiral T.
To make a t-shirt tote bag, first pick out an old shirt. A child's shirt makes the perfect child-sized bag. Next, cut away the collar. Cut away the sleeves at their seams. T-shirts are stretchy and strong. It's okay to pull at the material to shape it up a bit. If you like, you can cut the hem from the bottom of the t-shirt. I choose to keep it on for mine. Then cut a 2-inch slit at the bottom of each side seam, separating the front flap from the back. Finally, cutting front and back together, cut a 2-inch slit every inch across the bottom of the t-shirt. Set down the scissors and pull to stretch each of the tassels. Starting all the way over to one side, begin knotting the corresponding tassels together. Do this all the way down the row, and be sure your knots are tight. Once you are finished knotting, stretch the bottom a bit to test and to straighten. Your bag is ready to test. T-shirt totes are good for carrying all sorts of things, from groceries to toys to necessities and collections. They wash nicely and will last many years if cared for. Enjoy!